Low back pain during ab workouts? We're here with the solution. In this short video, we're going to share with you how you can reduce or even eliminate back pain with these safe and easy progressions that you can apply to any workout for your abs. Let's get on the mat. So when we're doing ab work, we're usually using our legs for leverage. What that means is that the straighter and lower your legs are, the more you're gonna feel it in your abs. This applies to any ab workout that uses leg extensions, whether that's lifts and lowers, or hugging one knee and the other into the chest to work the abs and get them stronger. If we overdo this leverage and work past the strength our abs can tolerate, that's when our low back is gonna start to hurt. So here are some quick tips. You want to start every ab exercise with your knees into the chest to reduce any pressure or leverage on the abs or low back. Start slowly, extending the legs just 1 inch at a time away from you, and find the sweet spot where you feel your abs turn on, but your back feels relaxed. This is going to help you safely find the perfect level of abdominal work for you. If it's just a few inches right now, that's okay. You'll get stronger over time and be able to go farther. You can also try keeping your knees bent. By having a longer leg, you're going to increase the leverage and the challenge. A bent leg will be gentler. Exercises that only extend one leg at a time will also be gentler on your back than any exercise that asks you to extend both legs. So prioritize whatever works for you and feels safest for your body. I hope these quick tips have been helpful and that you can apply them to your next workout to get stronger and reduce back pain. Progress little by little and feel yourself get a bit stronger every time. Subscribe to our channel for more workouts and quick tips. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time on the mat.